Hello everyone. For my part of the presentation, I will be talking about the history of Microsoft. The company that would eventually become Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in Albuquerque, New Mexico in 1975. They developed their first programming language, Microsoft Basic. MIT liked what they saw and agreed to distribute it and market their product under the name of Altair Basic. In August of 1981, IBM introduced their first personal computer, which used the 16-bit operating system in MS-DOS version 1.0. In late 1985, Windows 1.0 was launched. It was basically an extension of MS-DOS and was created in reaction to the growing popularity of the early Apple operating system. In May of 1990, Windows 3.0 was released. It would go on to sell well over 2 million copies. In June of 1998, Microsoft Windows 98 was launched. This will become one of Microsoft's most popular operating systems. Microsoft also entered the gaming and mobile market and was successful in getting a larger market share. The Windows Mobile operating system is used by sellers including HTC, LG, and Samsung. In 2001, Microsoft released the Xbox, followed by Xbox Live in 2002. Both releases were very successful and placed Microsoft second in the video game market. The Xbox 360, released in 2005, was a very powerful gaming console while facing strong competition. Microsoft had to cut prices of their gaming consoles to gain a higher market share due to competition. This ended up being successful. The Xbox 360 was the most widely used gaming console in American homes. Microsoft acquired Skype in 2011. This was the largest acquisition in Microsoft's history. Microsoft got Skype in order to compete with Apple's FaceTime and Google's Voice. Microsoft planned to add Skype to its products such as Outlook, Xbox, and Windows smartphones. And here are my references.